Good evening. It's been a long time since I made a video regarding my electronic projects, and this is going to be backup power supply, current saving backup power supply, and I'm using it on the truck battery because I know this battery is good. And I got 8 of these little transformers here, and I got 3 more I'm going to add. Shows them right there. Going to put them in here, and it's supposed to put 1 amp out of each of them, so that should be 8 amps right there. Well, what happens is there's amps coming out of the battery too to the load, and I'm using a 60-watt light bulb for the load. And before I used just a fan on this heater, and I was surprised that the fan takes less current than the 60-watt light bulb. So, and these diodes down here are the bridge rectifier for them. I haven't put a smoothing capacitor on them yet. It's not necessary. I can do that later. And here's the inverter that inverts the 12 volt DC into 120 volts AC. And it's running that battery charger, I guess you could call it. And this black cord goes to the light bulb. So first I'll test the voltage at the battery, and then I'll make another video on my calculations that I made for the fan and for the light bulb. And that splitter there is used for this wire, but it takes quite a bit to hook it up, measure it, so I'll avoid doing that. So I can just turn it on here and we'll make the voltage measurement right away. With the light bulb off, and then with. So it's measuring 12.19 volts now. I think it's a little low because I've been using it. So now we'll turn it on. Oh, the light bulb is on now. Let's turn it off for a minute. So the voltage is at down to 12. Now it's below 11. And it goes down to a certain level before it stabilizes. But the inverter should shut off if it goes below 12 volts, but it's not. That's because there's 2 voltages in parallel here. Somehow it's not reading correctly. Yeah, it's stabilizing about there. Now, when I turn on the light bulb, I forget if it goes down or up. That goes down further. Perhaps it don't need as much volts for some reason. So now what I got to do, I'll make some current measurements. So I'll just take these leads off. Get them out of the way. And we'll just take that wire off there because it's going to get on the way. What I'm going to do is measure the current in DC. coming out of the battery into the inverter through this black wire. So I'll measure that. And it seems to be quite a bit. Look at that. 19 over 20 amps. That's a lot. Now I can measure the DC of the wire coming from the bridge rectifier to the battery. And that's this wire right here. And it measures 7.2 amps in DC. Now, the same for the light bulb. It's going to be the same, I think, if I can get it in there. Oh, hard to get in there. Shoot. Oh, I can just nudge it out of the way there. There. Now it says, oh, I can't see the reading. Whoop. Oh, sorry, that's supposed to be AC. Hold on here. Oh, it's got to hit the AC. Oh, it's down really low because it's 120 volts. And it says 0.6 or 0.57 amps. Now, I can smell the light bulb. Kind of scared. It smells like it's burning. Maybe it's getting too much current. And I think that's all I have to measure, except this wire going through here, but I'll show you that later. Okay, well, in this video, and we'll talk more about the measurements and the calculations I made in watts. It's kind of hard to figure out what's going on. Maybe I'll just check the voltage again, because see what's going on here as time goes by. There's the black wire. Oh, that's the black. And the red's here. That's test out kind of long term. You never know what could happen. Okay, put it on volts DC. And just touch that wire in there again. Oh. Oh, why is it fluctuating here? Hold on here. Yeah, that's in DC. Oh yeah, there it is, 11.75. Something was fluctuating before. Well, that's not bad. It's kind of stabilizing. DC volts. So, I guess I'll end this video and upload it as soon as I can. And then later, add those 3 transformers there, and then I want to try the heater on low. There's 3 settings on low, medium, and high, plus the fan. And just check these, make sure they're not getting hot. No, nothing wrong with them. Works good. But it's kind of hard to figure out what exactly is going on here. Why is it? See, it's fluctuating. I'll turn off the light bulb and see what it does. Oh, it stays the same. The light bulb off. Oh, 117, 118. 119. It's going up a bit. Oh, yeah. There it is, 120 volts. And it keeps going up. 121. Wait a minute. This is DC. I better shut this off. That's scary. I better disconnect that quick. Why is it? I disconnected the positive. Connected the positive from the bridge rectifier to the battery, and why is it measuring 120 volt DC? It's supposed to be AC. I just changed that there. Oh, that's really strange. Okay, we'll disconnect the other ones. See what's going on here. Now, what's it say? Oh, there's something wrong with that because I don't have nothing connected to it. Let's turn it off a minute. Okay. Back on. Yeah, measures 14. There's nothing connected to it. Something wrong with the meter now, maybe. Okay, maybe my meter's messed up. Okay, I'll figure out later. This is a long enough video. Thanks so much for watching and wish me luck.